Now this part's a little more complicated. There is like this strappy material that is around the seatbelt, and they want to get caught down at the bottom right here. And it requires that I don't break my nails. But I think, sorry about my seat. So the seat. There's the putter on the bottom. That has to come off. There's this part though that's holding on for dear life. There's this part right here. And I think I have it. There we go. And the seatbelt is free, but I don't even want it with that part hanging on. So I have to free it from that. Also, come on, seatbelt. And probably better if it wasn't one-handed. Okay. Fast forward to slips out. So we're almost done. I'm going to take the screwdriver and I'm going to pop these out like I did on the other side. I'm going to pop out these buttons that are attaching it to the under carpet, and then she's going to come right out.